here are all the ingredients that you will need. Baking soda, citric acid, cream of tartar, lavender, witch hazel, mica powder, buttermilk powder, rose hip, Epsom salts, and coconut oil. You will need 3 cups of baking soda. Next, you'll need 1.5 cups of citric acid. Add it in with the baking soda. You'll now need 2 tablespoons of buttermilk powder. Add it in with your other ingredients. Next, you'll need 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. Mix the ingredients together using a whisk. Make sure all the ingredients are blended together, leaving no clumps. Now you need 2 cups of Epsom salts. Now add it into the mixing bowl with your other ingredients. Mixing well together, making sure you're not breathing in any of the dust particles that come out of the bowl. Next, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, putting it into a separate bowl. Adding in some rose hip, I used around 12 drops. You may want to put some gloves on for the next stage. Now mix those 2 ingredients together. I gently shake my bowl. You can use a spoon if you'd like. Going back to your dry mixture, add in the liquid mixture. Now blend all your ingredients together using a whisk. Next, I rub all the ingredients in between my hands to make sure all the clumps are out. You'll find your dry mixture starting to stick together. Next, you'll need witch hazel. I put mine in a spray bottle to make it easier to apply into the bowl. Now as you're spraying the witch hazel in, mix with your hand. If you don't mix the witch hazel into your dry ingredients fast enough, it will activate your dry ingredients. I spray around 5 to 10 sprays of witch hazel. Once I feel that my consistency is getting a little heavy, use both hands and rub together, making sure all the witch hazel is equally spread. Once you find your mixture is starting to hold together, you know you're close. If you need to add more witch hazel, go ahead. Next, I use a ice cube tray to form my bath bombs. I use the ones with the rubber bottom, so when your bath bombs are dry, they're easier to pop out of your ice cube tray. Sometimes I add in little surprises, like these roses. I also put in jewelry, toys, anything that you would like. These roses are made from wafer paper. Now spoon in some of your ingredients into the ice cube tray, just loosely tapping it in. Now place in the item that you would like to put into your bath bomb. I am packing more ingredients around my rose. When you feel like you have enough piled up, start pushing down to compact your bath bomb. Add some more of your dry ingredients and pack down. Make sure you pack your ingredients quite well. The harder you pack your bath bomb, the firmer your bath bomb will be. This will guarantee your bath bomb will not fall apart. I use the palm of my hand to make sure I have it firmly in place. As you can see, it's well packed together. Next, I'm adding in some colored bath salts. This will give the top of my bath bomb a sugary look. Evenly spread it around to give it a thin layer. Next, add your ingredients. Again, lightly tapping in your ingredients. Lightly pressing all your ingredients together. Add more until it is full. Once it's full, firmly press down. The next bath bomb, I am using lavender. Again, using a thin layer for the top of your bath bomb. Repeat the process. For my next bath bomb, I want a little bit of color. Here I will be using yellow mica powder. Add your bath bomb ingredients into a separate bowl. Depending on how bright you want your bath bomb, sprinkle in anywhere from a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of mica color. Using a whisk or your hands, mix the ingredients together. This time I will be placing in a little fairy toy. Rotating my colors from yellow to white. Repeat the process. Now for another color, I use green mica powder. Do the same process. In this bath bomb, I will be putting in this cute little hedgehog. Just be creative. Feel like changing it up, just use a different container. Let's do some pink mica color now. Your ingredients may be getting dry, so you may want to add some more witch hazel. If you add too much witch hazel, this is what will happen. It will start rising. Let your bath bombs dry anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, depending on the size of your bath bomb. Now let's pop them out. And there you have it. That's what they look like. I created just with the leftovers I had. Here's a sample of how the bath bombs will fizz. And there it is, a simple way to make easy homemade bath bombs. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and click the notifications button to be notified for all new videos. Thanks for watching.